Alright, so welcome to Benny's Collection Academy. This video will be learning double-breasted drafting, suit drafting. Alright, so we'll take our horizontal line. We are using our top edges at our vertical line. So we'll take our horizontal line this way. So our next line now is to take our overlapping, which is 2.5. That will give us a double breasting, 2.5. Then we connect our lines. This way. So now we'll take our 1.5 from our top line. 1.5. So we'll connect. We connect this way. From our 1.5, we'll now take our full length, which is 30. 30, then we'll add 1.5 for our folding allowance. Then we connect. We connect this way. The chest measurement is 40. We add 14 inches to 40, which will now give us around 54. Then we'll divide it by 2, it will be 27. That is our measurement, 27 this way. So our next line is our waistline, 16.5. 16.5. Then we'll connect the lines. Our next line is to take 1 inch above from our 1.5 line. 1 inch above. Then you connect. This line will help us to get our arm line. So we are using our bicep, which is 14. We divide it by 2, 7. Then we add 1.5, which is now 8.5 now. So we take our 8.5 line, then we connect our lines this way. Okay, so this is it. The next is to take our back neck, which is 3.5. You can see I take out then our depth 1 inch. We connect. Then we add 1.5 to our 3.5 to get our front neck, which is 5. Then we'll connect. We connect this way. Our next line is to take our shoulder. Our shoulder is 18 inches. Then we add sewing allowance. Our shoulder slant is 2.5. Then we'll connect to our neck this way. Then we'll measure the shoulder slant, which will give us 6.5. Then we'll measure our 6.5. 6.5. Then we'll connect. Then let's finish up our back. We'll take 0.7 for shape. We'll take 0.5 downward. Then we'll connect our 0.5 to our 0.7. Then we'll connect this way to our back. Okay. So now we'll take 1 inch above, like this. So measure our shoulder. You can see sewing allowance, then shoulder, exact shoulder 9 inch. Then we'll go in by 0.5. Then we'll connect our 0.5 to our actual shoulder, top shoulder. Then our tummy measurement is 36. We divide it by 6 to give us 6. Then sewing allowance, then another sewing allowance. Our shoulder is 18. We go 18, then we'll take out 0.5. Then we'll connect. Then we'll connect this way. Our vent is 11 inch length. Then the width is 1.2. You can see our back is complete. Then we'll go our 2.5 shoulder slant, the front part. Then we'll connect this way. Two inch, 3.5 inch. I will connect. Two inch, 2 inch, 0.5. Then we'll connect. Okay. So this won't take sewing allowance. We have 8 inch. We want to take our chest measurement. So we'll subtract our 8 inch. Measure is 40. Then we'll add 3 inch. You can see. You do the same thing to your tummy part. Sewing allowance 6. Then you subtract the 6 from the front part. You add another 3 inch. Then we can connect this way. And you can give it a slant downward. We'll take our length, which is 11 for the vent. The same, the top 1.2, then the downward can be 1.5 this way. Okay, so now we give a curve, a good curve this way. So now take our lapel 1 inch this way. Then you connect to your tummy line. Then you take 0.7 from our interception this way. You take 0.7 inward. Then you connect it take 0.5, then you connect it to your actual neck this way. Then from your 0.7 you take 3.5 for your lapel, give it a slant, and now you give a lapel a little curve. This, we are getting our chest pocket 1.7. Our chest pocket is 4, so you divide it by 2 to get your cut. You draft our cuts downward in order to get our down pocket. So our down pocket location is 20.5, is 20.5, 20.5. Then we connect. This part is 0.5, 1 inch, 0.5, then 1.5. So you connect this way, you connect this way, you connect. So you can see how you connect it. This part, take it upward. Our cut is 7 inch. Here you can just take out 0.2 from the boot side. This way. So we have succeeded in drafting our double-breasted suit. Next thing is to cut.